Today we're going to be talking about this Maxim MCU programmer debugger, nice and tiny, low-cost way to get started. We're working with the Maxim MCUs. It's a MAX32660 on the printed circuit board. Basically, we've got the DAP-Link program debugger, and then there's another little board with the target on it, and you can use those two together, and it's looking like that, and you can program debug your software on that target MCU. If you want to snap those two boards apart, there is a place for a little header to be placed on there and put on a ribbon cable out to your target that might be on your actual board itself. So it's a nice low-cost way to get started. And then here is the Analog Devices website URL where I'm getting this from. And this is in the Design Center Evaluation Hardware Software Downloads. But if you click on that button right there, it's gonna download, and it's like 45 megabytes. You can install that executable, and then once that executable is installed, then you can come over and run the Max Eclipse environment, which looks like this. From here, let's see, what I'm going to do is, if you right mouse button click and go to New Project, you can go into the C folder and pick your Maxim microcontroller. Once you have your Maxim microcontroller, you hit next, and then we can say example project, example project number 2. And then we'll hit the next button on that. And then from here, we have to go pick our target that we're going to be trying to talk to, which was the 660. We've got this Eval board. There's only one Eval board type to choose from. These are the different types of projects we can load in here, example projects. So it's some good starting point projects that we have access to. Anyway, let's see here. I was just going to do, I wanted to do Hello World. Where in the heck did that one go? There it is right there. And then this is our programmer debugger, which is, I think the board that I have, it's called the Pico board. But I think either one of these works, because the Pico board has this CMSys -DAP on it. So I'll just pick this one for now and then hit finish. And then over here, we've got this example 2 project. Here, I'm going to shut that one down. We'll open up that example 2 project. Let's see, which this is the source code. Where's my mouse? Right there. At this point, we can compile that project, and it's compiling up, and it's finished. And then at this point, we can hit the debug. Right now, if we're highlighting that project folder and we hit debug, it's going to focus on example 2. And down here, it's loading in the debugger and programming the target, which is great. And once that's loaded, we can see that our green LED is starting to flash, because we're ready to single step or debug with breakpoints, things of that nature. And then up here at the top, where's my mouse? Okay, there it is right there. I think I'm just going to hit the run button. Oops, that's not the button I want. I think it may be, oh yeah, it's running right now. So let me hit the stop button right there. And then where's the run button? Here, let's do example 2. Should be running. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, so you should see the Open OCD debugger coming up, and it looks like it put a breakpoint at the main. So we're in the program, the C code, and so we can start to step into or step over up there. These are just common Eclipse single stepping commands. So you can see that we're stepping through the code, and so that's good, and you can hit stop and restart, things of that nature. But this is just a really quick overview of how easy it is to load in some example files with the Maxim tools, and all off of one executable. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.